Hello, and welcome back. Alright. Oh, here we go. Oh. So, I am at a bit of a crossroads here. I'm deciding what to do next. Besides move that microphone, it pesters me. And my hair, it pesters me as well. So where we're at now is we have tested both of the drives. Not the drives, the drive mechanisms. And now we have power supplies and circuit boards. And I have a feeling I know where this is going. By the way, I did find a thing. I have not tried this yet. Dot Gobbler. I found it in a bag and I said, oh, look at that. It's an interesting, different looking sort of cartridge. Now, the one thing that makes trying the power supply more attractive is that I can probably do it much faster. I don't think I really need to even take the one out. I think what I can do, because here I have this one, I can pull out the power. I can pull the cord very gently and easily over here, and I can plug it in. And then I can turn it on, and I will listen to it. I don't hear anything, and that's probably good. So I am figuring that I can pull this cable off. And it is turned off, and I can put this on, and this drive should come to life. And indeed, it does. Alright, so maybe I can just sneak that on top of there. We don't need that right now. And I can turn on this monitor, turn on the 64, turn down the volume a wee bit. And yeah, this monitor, it's a little slow coming to life, I think. Perhaps I will discuss this with Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. So, I will load the directory. And it does load. It's funny, though. I can't see. There. Now I can see the activity light. Okay. We will poke 53280, comma 0. We will poke 53281, comma 0. And then we will list. Alright. And I think I will load the performance 25. Just to give the power supply a little bit of a workout, but I'm sure it'll be fine. But I'm going to change. And if you remember rightly, it was line 1845. And we'll change that to 5. And we will run. We have a blank disk in there. We have a blank disk in there. Now, while I'm here and doing that, I'm just looking down behind the monitor. See, I'm a little bit trapped here. Not horribly trapped, but a little bit trapped.
Now is a good time
Yes, a good time to run. That didn't go well, sorry. Jeez. Don't do that. Okay. So, why was I doing all that? Oh, so I could reach behind here and snag this other power supply. Alright. So I have a note for that 1541 mechanism. 1571 power supply 1 works. Tested for a bit. I'll put that up there. We'll let this run through the testing. Well, that's encouraging. It is. So much as I expected in all of this, so far, we're looking at things on the circuit board. But we're not there yet. We are not there yet. So, we are tormenting the head more times than normally we would. But that's okay. You know, I was thinking one of the things that might be able to be part of this thing, this testing thing, okay, that worked. I will turn it off. I would, maybe, what I will try and do is set it up that it saves itself many times on the disk. Okay, so power supply out. And we will mark it thusly. Power supply. Now, here is power supply number 2. See, the fellow said one of them didn't power up, but that could be something to do with the circuit board that isn't letting it. It could be. Alright, so I'll set that down. And this wire seems a bit shorter. And we're not on properly. That's the one thing about some of these things. Our pest. Now I'm ready, in case anything, to turn this off quickly. Let's see. Okay. We have power. We will run. And the disk is formatting.
Your assumptions are wrong.
Well, I was assuming that this power supply was going to maybe not be good. But indeed, my assumptions We're wrong. So, 1571 power supply 2 works. Tested for a bit. Haven't tormented it tremendously, but some. So this is good. Of course, this thing should not be sitting right there. Anyway, we are writing.
The lesser of two evils is still evil.
So true. So we're going to get down to circuit boards and strange things. I imagine what I will try to do is undo the strange things from the circuit boards and try and get them back to their original state. And then see what's what. So, we've written, we've read, we're reading, we're scratching, we've scratched. And now we will torment a little bit, but not, too much. And then it will come up and it will say that it has passed. It has passed. It's magic. All right. So it does seem that the power supplies are not the trouble, and it seems the drive mechanisms are not the trouble. I will place that down over here. So it's back kind of where it should be. And I will ponder. I will also plug this back in and plug the power back in. Oop, dear me. All right. Hello. Why am I having trouble getting that in? I can't see it. I just don't see it. Oh, come on. Have I got it upside down? It is possible. Oh, okay. We're back in. And the drive has got its power. Why did that kind of move some? Oh, I see. It kind of slipped off its little things here. I'll turn it back on. And I suppose just for fun, we'll run this again. Not because anything would have changed, but So, I suppose I should prepare.
Keep your plans secret for now.
I should mark the power supply here, because when you have a whole bunch of things of the same, it's easy to switch them around and mix them up. And I would rather not do that. So, I imagine what I will do next is grab. Well, I'll take the power supply out of this and set it aside. And I'll probably take the drive mechanism out. And then I'll look at the board, and I'll look at the other boards, and see what's up with the additional things. See what symptoms we find. But and once again, this all it all comes down to what is socketed and what is not socketed.
Look out! Behind you.
I don't think there's anything behind me at this time. I don't think so. So this is doing its thing. It's going along. Anyway, yes, as I say, I will try and return the boards to their original state and see what can be found. And then ponder the things that have been added. And I should know the names of the things that have been added, but at this moment I don't. I just don't. Alright, the torment is on.
Your luck will change for the better.
Well, that's encouraging. Okay, well, things seem to be working. They do. So, it is time to deal with the circuit boards. But that will be in another episode. Because right now, I must ponder my next move. I must and decide which one to start with. There are two of them. But it's good to know the power supplies are good. They're good. So, thanks for coming. It's always a pleasure. And we'll see you again as we continue down this tale of two 1571s. Perhaps just one more.
Others can't help you now.
Possibly true. Alright. Well, thanks for being here. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.